Alright, so we have the steering wheel, we have the short hub, and the quick release. So keep watching, you guys. We'll figure this out together because I have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna do today and how to install. Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Liz, and today we're gonna go ahead and install an NRG steering wheel on this beauty because I'm kind of tired of the OEM look. So I'm going to replace it with an awesome purple steering wheel. So before any of that, we're going to go ahead and remove the battery. And then once you do all that, then you're going to go ahead and grab your ratchet and your 10mm. There is 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and we're going to remove that now. We're going to remove these bolts on the back. So there's 1, 2, so there's 2 on the top, and then the other side, and this side, well, the bottom. So, let's see.
Can I help you?
No.
Can I help you?
No.
Please?
No.
Fine, I'll be the camera guy.
That's why you're my camera guy.
You can never do nothing.
That's why you're my camera guy. So once all 4 of the bolts are removed, we're gonna go ahead and take the airbag off. Ooh. Okay. So this is a part where I get lost because I have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just disconnect stuff, okay? Once this is removed, we're going to go ahead and then remove this. And I've watched videos on YouTube and it's gonna be a bitch taking this off. So I'm gonna try my best not to fuck it up. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a 17mm and I'm gonna take out my 10 because I haven't done it. So you're not, what I've seen on other videos, you don't want to take the bolt out. You want to loosen it and then take the steering wheel off. So I'm going to see if that works or not. So you want to make sure the bolt is loose. You guys don't want to take off the bolt just yet. Y'all didn't see that. What is this? Oh.
This caca.
No, it's not. There. So this is my old steering wheel. So we're gonna remove this. So to do that, we're gonna have to remove the 2 bottom screws using my Phillips. All right. So before you actually remove it and break shit, you're gonna have to take off the whole dash underneath. So there's a bolt 1, 2, and then there's 1 more on top. Ooh, alright, don't mind the cables, guys. Alright, don't mind the cables, it's a mess down here. So now we have that thing off, we're gonna go and break all this shit off because obviously we don't give a fuck. Obviously I do, because I'm not gonna really do that. So before we take this off, I'm going to take this part out first. So I'm gonna take out my Phillips and damn, fuck, I'm tripping out.
You know, I'm nervous and shit.
Oh shit, I'm ready to lose the screws. All right, so once you take the bottom part off, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the wire. It's not this one, it would be, okay, it's the white one. All right, so I thought it was just the white clip, but obviously it's not. There's a red clip that I need to remove. Mine is, yeah, mine's a red clip. Okay, that's removed. So now we're gonna go ahead. Oh man. Okay. Here now to the fun part. We're gonna go and install the goodies. Where's the goodies? Alright guys, so once you have everything placed back in place, you're gonna go ahead and grab your bolts again. And you're just gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, so this is like the quick release. So the way you take it off, you're going to go ahead and hold this button and push back and take it off. So if that's the position you want and you're satisfied, then you leave it like that. So that's it. So now to put on the steering wheel, and then yeah, we're done after. So now we're just going to bolt it back on. And